My name is Doug Steinbrech, and I'm a board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon. I'm certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, and I'm a member of the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons as well as American Society of Plastic Surgeons. Probably the last 3 to 5 years have been a huge boom in men's aesthetic surgery. Men are doing it for job reasons, to look good, maybe a male model, and there may just be a couple little things that they want tweaked, or they may be an older gentleman who's at the top of his game as a CEO in his company, and he wants to stay a little bit younger so he can stay young and stay very competitive in the boardroom. When male models come into my practice, there are a few very basic procedures that they're looking for. One is high definition liposuction. They may look fantastic, have a beautiful face, be very handsome, but their body isn't quite as in great shape as their face is. So what they need is they need to be really, really ripped. And with high definition liposuction, we can really carve out that six-pack that they're looking for. Additionally, what they're interested in is stronger features to their face. That means a stronger cheekbone, a stronger jawline, a more confident chin. These points, the chin, the jawline, and the cheekbone, is what turns them into a cover guy. What makes the athletic dad? And that is one of the other main body types or face types that I have on my website, is that the athletic dad is a guy who is very sporty. When he was younger, he was in tip-top shape, used to get all the looks from the ladies, and then when he got married, had kids, his life changed a little bit, slowed down a little bit, really focused on the kids, on his marriage, on his career, and maybe put on 5 or 10 pounds. Maybe he lost that high definition that he had his abs. Maybe he doesn't get to go to the gym as much. So what I focus on for these guys are to be able to give them back the body and the face that they had. And typically what we do is it's a play on the mommy makeover, but what we have is a daddy do-over. So what we do for the daddy do-over is a little bit of liposuction or strengthening that jawline, some jawline recontouring, but then also we do a little bit of high definition liposuction to the abs, and then we go back around and do some more defining to the love handles. The fourth type of person that we talk about on the website is the CEO boardroom type man. Now what he is, he's an older guy, he's at the top of his game in terms of business, but he's been focusing on business, hasn't been focusing on himself, and now he's looking a little bit older. It's a little bit tougher to get those big deals done because now he's competing with some younger guy. He wants to be as confident and as young looking as he feels on the inside. The procedures that are done most commonly for this type of person are maybe a neck lift or maybe a mini facelift, but one that is undetectable, one that doesn't look like surgery, because we're talking about keeping you looking like a man, and that's what men want. So it's very subtle, it just backs you up 5 or 10 or 15 years, and it gives you that confidence. The other thing that they're looking for is to have fresher eyes, so that's a little bit of an eyelid lift or eyelid surgery, and that helps to keep their eyes more open, more fresh, looking very active. There's several non-invasive options for men, particularly around the face, and what these entail are Botox, which relaxes the forehead, relaxes the lines, relaxes the muscles that cause the deep lines and the deep furrows. So that's number one. Then number two we look at are fillers. What fillers do is fillers allow us to go ahead and fill in spaces and fill in volume in the face that we've lost over time. Then the third thing is lasers. And what lasers do is lasers help resurface the skin. When our men come to Gotham Plastic Surgery, they expect results. They expect great results. And what they're looking for is maybe a way to make them feel more confident. They feel very confident on the inside, but they feel like because of a soft chin or because of not a really sculpted out angle to their jaw, or because their face has gotten a little bit thick or their neck has gotten a little bit thick, they don't feel as confident as they once did. So now that we use these techniques in terms of doing a liposuction underneath the chin or sharpening the jawline and the chin with fillers, it can do a lot to improve a man's confidence. When we first started thinking about designing a men's exclusive website for plastic surgery, and this is really the first one that we know of. We wanted to make sure that it moved in all different platforms, and we really see the movement toward mobile. So we wanted to make sure that it was a website that was very usable from the desktop to the laptop to the iPad and all the way down to the mobile phone. And we think this website is very, very usable in those terms. My philosophy for men is to make you still look like a man, but make you look like the best looking and youngest looking man that you can be for who you are and the age you are. There's a misconception out there that plastic surgery means that you're going to look different or that you're going to look odd. That can happen under extreme circumstances, but it's not my style. My style is to keep everything as natural appearing, and I tell all my guys that they should always leave one little line or one little crease, because you always want people to wonder, did he or did he not? And they want everything to be completely looking natural, and that's really my philosophy. We can make you look younger and we can make you feel younger.